And number 8 on our list of indicators of high-quality CTE programs is contract training.
Providing specialized on-site employee training for a business often paid for by that company. The primary objective is to help the employer meet its training needs, but it has other benefits. When colleges offer this type of service to local businesses, it provides another opportunity for program faculty to engage with employers and their employees at the worksite. Again, it's this type of engagement that helps us, as community colleges, to better understand employers' needs so we can make program adjustments if needed. And it allows us to continue building the kind of valuable education employer relationships we talk about in the first indicator. We have talked about 8 factors that indicate an exemplary CTE program: the connection with business, the vitality of the curriculum, program accreditation, experienced faculty, an outcome focus, the student experience, the importance of facilities and equipment, and contract training with industry. I want to be clear that the indicators shared here are not meant to be an exhaustive list. And note there are few programs that would be able to check off all 8. In looking at what makes a quality program, these indicators rose to the top. And we think it's safe to say that the more of them a program meets, the better chances are it is providing the kind of high-quality career education that can have a positive impact on our students, regional employers, and the communities, while helping us to achieve our workforce development goals.